How about the others? Please comment. I know you are there because I have 17 viewers watching and still a few only comment they appear on my live screen. Give me one then so that I can smile alone. Oh, my body is aching. Next time maybe. Still waiting for you. No, I stand already, but you're not here. Watch me. I don't know how to dance. Hit like button. Hello, yes. Thank you for that. Richard Andre Cosby. Not here, sorry. No dance. Please remove the top. Why I remove the top? This is not I will hide you. Hello. I can stand it. To understand your comment, please speak English. Who can mute mom 1 minute also can what's that? Wanna kiss me in the morning? I wanna kiss you when John Kellen, hi Day, asa ka po sa Pinas? Ako sa Indonesia. Sa Pinas? Sa Dapitat po. Sa Mindanao. Hello to my 141 viewers. Hi. When you leave what? What you mean by that, hi ho? Wait. I will hide you if you're not. Mom use me from face. I don't understand what you say. What's Bigo? What's Bigo? Ang oras dito ay 11:02. 11:02 in Philippines. Saan ka ba? Sa Amerika? Richard Andre Crosby. Ba't marunong kang mag-Tagalog? Bisaya. Taga-Pilipinas ka din? My name is Naomi Tayo. Singing my heart will go on. Can you show? No, it's not. It's bad. I will hide it. Amerikano ka ba? Marunong ka. Hello boy Astrid, anong pangalan mo? Ang pangalan ko is Naomi. My name is Naomi. Yo, yaya siguro. Yaya.